Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to fix Google Docs freezing and lagging on large 50+ page files. Large Google Docs lag because the browser constantly re-renders long text streams, live spell checking, and visual layout elements all at once. Open your lagging document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Go to the top menu bar, click on File, select Page Setup, click the Pageless tab, and click OK to switch to pageless mode, which drastically reduces browser rendering overhead. Go to the top menu bar, click on View, hover over Mode, and ensure you are in editing mode rather than suggesting mode, as heavy suggestion markup severely slows down document processing. Go to the top menu bar, click on Tools, select Spelling and Grammar, and uncheck Show Spelling Suggestions and Show Grammar Suggestions to turn off continuous background checks. Click on Tools in the top menu bar again and uncheck Show Word Count while typing to disable real-time text calculation. Clear your web browser cache and cookies, or open the large document inside an incognito or private browser window to eliminate interfering extensions. For exceptionally massive files over 100 pages, split the document into smaller chapters or volumes using File, Make a Copy, and deleting unused sections in each file. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.